How to fix Forza Horizon 6 Eliminator Session Error. Welcome back to Tenabalta. Today, we delve into a critical issue plaguing many Forza Horizon 6 enthusiasts, the dreaded Eliminator Session Error. This error typically manifests as an inability to join or maintain a connection within the high-stakes Eliminator game mode, interrupting your pursuit of vehicular dominance, while occasionally stemming from server-side outages or maintenance. As noted in community discussions, a significant portion of these issues are resolvable through systematic client-side and network troubleshooting. Our deep dive guide will equip you with the technical expertise to diagnose and rectify common underlying causes, ensuring a smoother, more reliable Eliminator experience. 1. Verify game file integrity. Corrupted or missing game files are a frequent culprit behind connectivity and crashing issues. Utilize your platform's built-in verification tool. For Xbox app users, this means navigating to the game settings and initiating a repair, while Steam users can right-click Forza Horizon 6 in their library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process meticulously scans your installation against the official game data, replacing any discrepancies. 2. Restart game and platform clients. A fundamental troubleshooting step involves fully closing both Forza Horizon 6 and its respective platform client, whether the Xbox app or Steam, and then restarting your PC. This action clears temporary data, refreshes system processes, and can resolve transient software glitches that might be impeding proper session connectivity. Ensure all related background processes are terminated before relaunching. 3. Check Forza Horizon 6 server status. Before deeper troubleshooting, confirm that the issue isn't on the game developer's end. Visit the official Forza support website or their social media channels to check for any announced server outages, scheduled maintenance, or widespread issues affecting the Eliminator mode. If official servers are down or experiencing problems, user-side fixes will be ineffective until service is restored. 4. Update network drivers. Outdated or corrupted network adapter drivers can significantly impact your connection stability and throughput, leading to session errors. Access Device Manager, expand network adapters. Right-click your active adapter and select Update Driver, choosing to search automatically for updated driver software. Alternatively, visit your motherboard manufacturer's website or the specific network adapter manufacturer for the latest drivers. 5. Perform a clean boot. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, helping to isolate software conflicts that might interfere with Forza Horizon 6 network operations. Use the System Configuration Utility, msconfig, to disable non-Microsoft services and startup items, then restart your computer. If the Eliminator error is resolved, re-enable services one by one to pinpoint the conflicting application. 6. Flush DNS and reset Winsock. Corrupt DNS caches, or Winsock catalog entries, can hinder proper communication with game servers. Open command prompt as an administrator and execute ipconfig/flushdins, followed by netch winsock reset, and then netch int IP reset. After running these commands, a system restart is essential to fully apply the network configuration changes and ensure a fresh network state. 7. Configure firewall and antivirus exclusions. Aggressive firewall rules or antivirus software can mistakenly block Forza Horizon 6 outbound and inbound connections, preventing proper Eliminator session matchmaking. Navigate to your Windows security settings or your third-party antivirus interface and create explicit exceptions for the Forza Horizon 6 executable and associated gaming services. Temporarily disabling these protections can help diagnose if they are the root cause. 8. Update graphics drivers. While primarily affecting performance and visual stability, outdated graphics drivers can sometimes indirectly contribute to game client instability, potentially leading to session disconnections. Ensure your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers are updated to the latest stable version by downloading them directly from the manufacturer's official website. A clean installation is often recommended. 9. Run game as administrator. Running Forza Horizon 6 with administrative privileges can resolve permission-related issues that might prevent the game from fully utilizing network resources or interacting correctly with system components. Locate the game's executable file or shortcut. Right-click, select Properties, navigate to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. 10. Disable VPN/proxy services. Virtual private networks, VPN or proxy servers, while offering privacy, can introduce latency, alter routing paths, or cause conflicts with game server connections, especially for region-locked matchmaking. Temporarily disable any active VPN or proxy software to see if direct internet access resolves the Eliminator Session Error. Some games have anti-VPN measures that detect and block such connections. 11. Adjust network settings. NAT type. Your network address translation, NAT, type significantly impacts your ability to connect with other players in peer-to-peer or mixed server environments. An Open NAT provides the best connectivity, while moderate or strict NAT types can limit matchmaking. Access your router's settings to ensure UPnP is enabled or manually configure port forwarding for Forza Horizon 6 specific ports, often UDP, 88, 500, 3544, 4500, and TCP, 3074. 12. Reinstall gaming services, Windows. For Xbox app users, the gaming services component is crucial for game functionality and connectivity, if corrupted, it can cause various errors. Open PowerShell as an administrator and execute get apps package Microsoft. Gaming services remove apps package elusers. Then, relaunch the Xbox app, which should prompt you to reinstall gaming services. 13. Check for Windows updates. An outdated Windows operating system can lack critical security patches, compatibility fixes, or network component updates essential for modern gaming titles like Forza Horizon 6. Navigate to Windows Settings, then Update and Security, and check for any pending updates. Install all available updates and restart your system to ensure they are fully integrated. 14. Optimize router/modem configuration. Beyond NAT type, your router's firmware might be outdated, or its settings might be suboptimal. Access your router's administration panel, check for available firmware updates, and consider temporarily disabling QoS, quality of service, settings if they prioritize other traffic over gaming. A full power cycle of your router and modem can also resolve temporary network device glitches. 15. Disable IP6 temporary test. While IP6 is the future of Internet protocols, some network configurations or older hardware might experience compatibility issues, especially with certain game servers. As a diagnostic step, you can temporarily disable IP6 on your network adapter through the adapter's properties in Network and Sharing Center, focusing solely on IP4 connectivity. 16. Clear Microsoft Store/Xbox app cache. Cached data within the Microsoft Store or Xbox app can become corrupted and lead to application malfunctions, including game connectivity issues. For the Microsoft Store, open Command Prompt as administrator and type wsreset exe. For the Xbox app, go to Apps and Features, find the Xbox app, click Advanced Options, and select Reset. 17. Reinstall Forza Horizon 6 last resort. If all other troubleshooting steps fail, a complete reinstallation of Forza Horizon 6 might be necessary. This ensures a completely fresh and uncorrupted installation of the game and its associated files. Be prepared for a significant download, and ensure you have sufficient disk space and a stable internet connection for the process. 18. Disable overlay applications. Many third-party applications, such as Discord overlay, Xbox Game Bar, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, or other performance monitoring tools, can sometimes interfere with game processes or network communication. Temporarily disable all such overlays one by one to determine if any are conflicting with Forza Horizon 6 Eliminator mode. 19. Power cycle network hardware. A simple yet often effective solution is to perform a full power cycle of your network equipment. Turn off your PC, then unplug your modem and router from power for at least 60 seconds. Plug the modem back in, wait for it to fully initialize, then plug in the router and wait for it to initialize before finally restarting your computer. This refreshes all network device states, successfully resolving the Forza Horizon 6 Eliminator Session Error requires a systematic approach, combining client-side fixes with network optimization. By meticulously applying these deep-dive technical solutions, you can significantly enhance your chances of stable connectivity and uninterrupted gameplay within the Eliminator. Remember that persistent issues might warrant contacting Forza support with detailed diagnostic logs. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more expert technical guides and troubleshooting insights. Image 21. PNG. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more solutions.